Now in this sheet, what we are going to do is all your letter D. Okay, wherever you see your letter D, we will color that D with purple. Okay, and your sound D, we'll color it with yellow. Now, is this your letter D or your sound? This is your sound, isn't it? D. Where is your letter? Yes, you have your letters D. So we will color all your D with purple. Okay, again D with purple. We'll give you just a small circle around. Now again where you have D over here. Now you can color it. Next, yes, again D. Color it with purple. Here you have D. Next one, yes, D. This is your letter D. This is your sound. So we will color it later. Again you have your letter D. Next one, letter D. Over here, no. Next one, yes, your letter D. D. Over here is your sound. Again your letter D. Your letter D. Next one, yes, again letter D. Letter D. Letter D. Okay, now you will color your sound with yellow. Your sound is D. Yes, yeah, you will color it with yellow. Here you have D. Next, yes, color it with yellow. Where else? Over here you need to color your sound D with yellow. Sound D. Sound D. Next sound, yes, D. Your sound D. Again D. As you're coloring, you can say your sound, okay? D. Sound is D. Again, your sound is D. Sound is D. Again, your sound is D. Okay, so you know now all your purple is letter D and all which is colored with yellow is your sound D. Over here you have your pictures. Now you will see you have a dog, dress, top, cap, drum, dig, desk, duck and crab. Now we have only to circle the picture, that is a word which begin with D, that is D. Okay, the others we don't circle, only which begins with D. Your first one is D-O-G. Is it with D? Yes. So we will circle dog. So I want you to look at the spellings also. Now next is dress. What is the word spelling starting with? Yes, D. D-R-E-S-S. So we circle dress. Next one is T. T-O-P. Is it D? No, so we don't circle it. C-A-P. Cap. Is it starting with D? No. Next one, drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. So you will circle drum. Next one, D-R-U-M. dig. D-I-G, dig. So it's starting with D? Yes. Now, desk. D-E-S-K. Is it starting with D? Yes. So you will circle with D. Next one, duck. It's starting with D. So D-U-C-K. So we circle it. Next one, crab. It is C-R-A-B. Is it starting with D? No. So we don't circle it. So what are the words that is starting with D? Dog, dress, drum, dig, desk, and duck. Over here, as you know, you have all these pictures. Now you should know which picture starts with your sound D. So you need to know your spelling, isn't it? With D. Now what is this? It's a drum. So what's the spelling? Yes, it starts with D. D-R-U-M. So is this picture starting with your sound D? Is it D sound? Yes. So we will just give a small coloring for your drum because it begins with your sound D. It begins with your sound D. Okay? So you're coloring your picture, the drum. Now, next one. You have dog. What is this? You have dog. Is it with D? Yes. So the spelling is D-O-G, isn't it? So yes, your sound is D, dog. So let's color your dog. Yes, because it starts with your letter D and your sound D. Okay. So we are coloring your picture, that is dog. Now this is crown. Is it starting with D, crown? No. Next one, dice. Is it starting with D? Dice. Yes. So you will color your picture with D. Okay. Next one is a snowman. What is this? Snowman. Is it with D? No. Next one, dress. Is it starting with D? Dress. Yes. So we need to color it with D. Because it's with D, you need to color it. It is dress. Dress. Okay. So with D, you have drum, dog, dice, and dress.
Pebbles Kids Learning.